We are at the entrance of the most famous Chinese temple in Huian.
Fukien Assembly Hall was built around 1690 and represents a traditional assembly hall for the Chinese ethnic group from Fujian, China, to socialize. Later, the assembly was transformed into a temple dedicated to their deity named THIEU, the goddess of sea, who protects sailors from danger. The Chinese decided to build that temple to worship the statue of the goddess, which was found on Huian Beach in 1967.
All these bags in the middle of the temple are full of rice, and they are for poor people. And on top of the ceiling, all these spirals are incenses. Each spiral costs $25 and lasts for a month. In the middle, you have the names of the people who you are praying for.
The main hall is the biggest room, with the main shrine and the figures of the goddess of fertility, 3 fairies, and 12 midwives. Originally, the house was a thatched pagoda called Kim Son, which was built by Viet people living in Huian in 1692. The pagoda was dedicated to Buddha. Over the course of time, the building was damaged, and in 1759, the owners had to sell it to rich Phuoc Kien traders from China, who came to Huian so that it could be restored. After the restoration, the pagoda was renamed Phuoc Kien Assembly Hall. Due to the restorations and support by the Fukien people, the assembly hall became resplendent and spacious, taking part in the embellishment of Huian's architecture. Arranging the statues for worshipping means human happiness, and it profoundly expresses the Oriental philosophy. Phuoc Kien Assembly Hall is a religious relic. It is the biggest assembly hall and displays rich architectural and artistic features. In addition to its architecture, nowadays its many events and activities to celebrate Chinese festivals make the Fukien Assembly Hall a wonderful destination for visitors from both sides, inside and outside of Vietnam.